I have the bad habit of coming off and sounding like I know it all. I know I do. I'm saying this making fun of myself. All right. It's my timbre in my voice. It is my body language. And it is just unfortunately how I speak. And I rub people the wrong way. They're like, he's an a-hole. I'm like, oh, okay, if you say so. I'm not going to argue because I know I can be short and I know I can be an a-hole. So, okay. You're probably right. Okay. But very rarely do I die on a hill. Very rarely. You'll see in the comment sections where I would actually get into it, where I go, hey, I got to eat crow on this one. These are the sources that I cited. This is the information that I got. This is the information I worked on. This is everything that made me formulate an opinion. And if that opinion is proved wrong, I'm going to eat crow. And the funny thing about that, I always laugh at people who get mad at politicians who change their mind. And there's a difference between flip-flopping and changing your mind. And I happily change my mind. Greg Gaddis, I don't know if you guys watch this, I live on camera changed my opinion based on the information he gave me in regards to the 1630 Ace engine. I was like, 1630 Ace engine is a pile of burning trash. And he's like, no, it's not. It's great. It's one of the best engines. I go, okay, prove me wrong. And he goes, great. And he rattles off his reasons. And I said, well, what about this and this and this? And he goes, true, but here's why these things fail. And we had this conversation. Guys, we talked about it for probably 25 minutes. Hopefully you were watching because I changed my opinion right there. Okay, great. And it's okay to change your opinion when given new information. So I will happily say I have been wrong more times than I can count live on camera. I have. I've been wrong in the comment section. I've been wrong on camera. And for people to go, Kevin Shaw doesn't know what he's talking about. He's a dumbass. Ruh, ruh, ruh. I'm like, I'm operating off the information that I had. I typically have really good sources, but when confronted with better information, I will change my mind. Hopefully, we are all adult enough to do the same. I would think so. I would hope so. I try to be better. Am I? No. Do I want to be better? Hell yeah. Hopefully, we all do. That's called growing up. Anyway, so all of that adds up to the fact that I come in and I say, this is what I've done. This is the information I have. I literally just said it about the PWC art sponsors with Anthony Radatic. Anthony Radatic has won global championships. Global championships using the PWC art sponsors that I felt were horrible. I mean, really bad. I'm like, these aren't great. They do not hook in a corner. And he's like, dude, they work great. I love them. Okay. So, you know, you're getting results. Clearly you're getting results, but I want to know why they're better. I want to know what you're feeling. And I didn't get that information out of Anthony in our interview because quite frankly, I didn't want to spend a half an hour on that. So, but back to that 1630 Ace video. Well, it wasn't a 1630 Ace video. It was the interview I did with Greg Gaddis. We talked about it. We talked for 10, 15 minutes about it. Maybe now I exaggerated by saying 25 minutes, but it was like 10, 15 minutes. We talked about the Ace motor. And he goes, Kevin, I'm telling you right now, it's a great engine. He says, I think it's a superior engine to the SVHO engine. And I'm like, you're messing with me. But seriously, that's how it works. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.